Hello everybody! Welcome to the first video of this series. This is the series that's going to introduce you to HTML and CSS, and why is this the place you should start? Because, well, just about everything on the internet is written in this language. This is the language of the internet. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. And the reason why we are starting with this is because, well, if you're considering a career in this line, this is a good place to start. Because if you go to any website, just go ahead and open up your browser right now, and just go ahead and visit any page, go visit your favorite website. And once you're there, hi there, and my daughter's in this recording as well. Yes, dear. So anyway, right click and just take a look at the view page source over here. Now if you click view page source, you'll see all of this gobbledygook over here. This, ladies and gentlemen, for the most part, is essentially HTML and CSS, and that's what shows up on the screen over here. Just go ahead and go view your favorite website and you'll see the same thing. So that's what we'll be learning, this HTML and CSS, and I'll be teaching you the most recent iteration of it, HTML5 and CSS3. Now, as for the requirements, there's only one thing you need for this course. A few things. The first thing you need is Visual Studio Code. Yes, dear. Visual Studio... Yes, my daughter basically thinks you should... Yes, I'm coming to that. I'll tell them about that in just a moment. So anyway, first thing you do is you need Visual Studio Code. Just head over to code.visualstudio.com. That's the first thing you'll need to download. There are a few versions. You have, if you're using Windows, it should detect it, and you should have download for Windows. And also, if it's a case of I'm coming to that. In the case of Apple, it'll say there there's a version for iOS. But if it doesn't show up, you can always just click on this link right here where it says Other Platforms, right there. So if you click on that, you'll see there they have a few versions, even for Linux, Windows, and for Macs. Okay, so that's the first thing you'll need. Now, here's another thing that you'll need. If you're going to consider developing for web pages, you will want to download other browsers, just so you can test to see whether it works the same way. In fact, the three browsers that you will need, Chrome, Firefox, and IE. These are the three most prevalent browsers. If you're using Macs, of course, go ahead. You probably already have Safari. Basically, Safari and Chrome share the same engine, so if you have either one, it should work the same way. Anywho, so if you don't have Chrome, you can just go to www.google. Oops, sorry, Google. What's a Google? Google.com/Chrome. So this is one browser you might want to download. Another one is Firefox. Now I forget what the link or the URL for Firefox is, so you can just do a search for Firefox, and there you go, mozilla.org. So there you go, and you can download Firefox over here. Here's another browser that's very much prevalent, very much used by a lot of people. And last but certainly not least, yes, there are still people who use Internet Explorer. So here's another browser. If you don't have it already, here's another one that you may want to download. There you go. The Internet Explorer downloads. Here we go. And there you have it. Okay, so those are the only things you require for this course. Go ahead and download them, install them, and I will see you on the next video.
Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe. Also, check out the links below. And if you'd like me to cover something else, please leave a comment down below.